today it's the 15th of July 2025. Unfortunately, they have replaced these elevators here again. Well, we filled this tank with the ALD before, so one that was modernized, like regular modernization without the doors in 1997, and one that was modernized with full automatic doors, I think in 1997 before.
Yeah.
And this has been replaced in 2024. The capacity is 5 persons, 4 revs, and this number is 4546104. And what was the address?
Pohjoinen Liipolankatu 16 staircase C.
Yeah, in Liipola, Lahti, Finland. Yeah, of course it's not the worst possible because it's a bit of a rare type of replacement, but we didn't expect this because we were hoping that we would film the staircases B and C, the 1997 modernization.
Yeah.
That's why this was also a disappointment, but not the worst disappointment.
Yeah.
And this panel is rare. I mean, I haven't seen this type yet.
Same here.
This is just one example.
Yeah.
Because normally we wouldn't have time for this.
Yeah.